marked by intense secrecy and speculation. At the heart of the J-25's capabilities lies its advanced stealth technology. This aircraft is designed to evade even the most sophisticated radar systems. The J-25's stealth features, combined with its supersonic speed, make it a nightmare for enemy defenses. It can penetrate enemy airspace undetected, deliver its payload with precision, and disappear back into the sky. The J-25 is a true ghost, a whisper in the wind. The J-25 boasts a potent combination of speed and agility. It can cruise at supersonic speeds, allowing it to quickly reach its target and evade interception. The aircraft's maneuverability allows it to outmaneuver enemy fighters in close-range dogfights. This combination of speed, stealth, and agility makes the J-25 a formidable opponent in any combat scenario. The J-25's weapon systems are equally impressive. It is armed with a range of air-to-air and air-to-surface missiles, giving it the versatility to engage a wide range of targets. The aircraft's internal weapons bay ensures that its stealth profile is not compromised. The J-25's weapon systems are designed to give it a decisive edge in any engagement. The development of the J-25 is a key component of China's broader strategic ambitions in the Pacific. China is seeking to challenge the long-standing dominance of the United States in the region. The J-25 is a powerful symbol of China's growing military might and its determination to project power far beyond its borders. The aircraft's deployment has significant implications for regional stability and the balance of power. The J-25 is designed to give China a decisive edge in any potential conflict in the Pacific. Its advanced capabilities pose a significant threat to U.S. Navy supercarriers, which have long been the cornerstone of American naval power. The J-25's ability to operate from land bases in mainland China further complicates the strategic calculus for the United States and its allies in the region. China's military modernization is not limited to the development of advanced aircraft like the J-25. China is also investing heavily in other areas such as hypersonic missiles, artificial intelligence, and cyber warfare. These investments are part of a comprehensive effort to enhance China's military capabilities and challenge the United States across all domains of warfare. Future holds, but acutely aware of the stakes involved.